Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and creative product that any young artist or aspiring makeup enthusiast will love, the Horizon Group USA Barbie Magazine Hair and Makeup Kit. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's explore what this kit is all about. The Horizon Group USA Barbie Magazine is a vibrant and interactive makeup artist magazine designed specifically for kids. It comes packed with over 130 stencils, more than 180 stickers, a variety of playful cosmetic tools, and pretend makeup essentials. This kit is all about unleashing creativity while having a blast with your favorite Barbie characters. So, what are the standout features of this kit? First off, it includes a spiral-bound makeup artist magazine that measures 10.5 by 10.9 inches. This magazine serves as a canvas for young creators to explore their artistic side through hairstyling and makeup design. The stencils are a fantastic addition, allowing kids to color in stunning hair and makeup looks using pretend eyeshadows and crayons. Speaking of which, the kit comes with 6 vibrant crayons in various colors like pink, black, light brown, red, teal, and yellow, giving kids plenty of options to express themselves. One of the most exciting aspects of this kit is the surprise scratch art stickers. This feature adds an element of mystery and fun, as kids can scratch to reveal different sticker designs. These repositionable stickers can be mixed and matched, enabling children to create bold and stylish outfits for Barbie, while also practicing their design skills. Additionally, the kit includes essential makeup tools such as cosmetic brushes and eyeshadow applicators, so kids can learn and practice their makeup techniques just like a pro. With 9 pretend play eyeshadow cakes in delightful colors, 4 pretend play lip glosses, and a blush cake, young creators can really let their imaginations run wild. Now, who is this kit suitable for? This product is perfect for children who love to play dress up, engage in arts and crafts, or simply enjoy spending time with their Barbie dolls. It encourages creativity, fine motor skills, and even some basic color theory as they mix and match hues. Whether for a birthday gift, holiday present, or just a fun activity to enjoy at home, it's an excellent option for kids aged 6 and up. In terms of practical use cases, this kit can be a fantastic way for kids to host their own makeover parties. Friends can gather around, share ideas, and help each other create unique looks for their Barbie dolls. Alternatively, it can also serve as a calm and engaging activity for quiet afternoons or creative playdates. Parents can even join in the fun, helping their children explore their artistic sides while bonding over makeup and design. Overall, the Horizon Group USA Barbie Magazine Hair and Makeup Kit is a delightful product that combines creativity and play. With its extensive features and engaging activities, it's sure to keep kids entertained while also teaching them valuable skills along the way. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.